All right, guys, let's go over the directions for the project real quick. I'm going to quickly do one from the pages that you probably already have all this done, but I want to do these right quick just for anybody that may not have been here. So if you don't need this part, just kind of skip past it, okay? I'm trying to make sure I'm focused good. So what you're going to do here is just write an inequality. Children 3 and under are free. So we're going to write an inequality. So children 3 and under would be less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3. And that's all you're doing. We're not getting, you're not having to overthink this. And then when you do your number line, you can just put a 0, a 3, and a -3. That's going to be a closed dot. And we're going to shade this way because 3 and under are free. Okay? And that's all you're doing for all of these. And all of these. All right? I'm going to do this first one right here just to kind of show you the number line. You must be over 36 inches to ride. So in order to ride, you have to be over 36 inches. So you've got to be greater than 36 inches. So I'm just going to put a 0 right here, a 36 right here, and a -36 right here. And I've got to be over, so it's an open dot, 36 inches to ride. Basically, on the number lines, I just want to be able to see that you know that you've got to go to 36 with an open dot in which direction to shade. As long as I can see that, your number lines will be fine. When you get over to this page, you're going to need your orange paper with you. Okay? You're going to need this. This is the easiest. Okay? So, first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to go through and write all the prices for everybody because this question right here is asking you how much it costs for the whole family, okay? So let's get all the prices written down, and then you can add them up, get your total cost. So if you're looking right here at your pricing on your orange paper, here's the pricing. So I'm looking right here at, let me get this situated so you can see both of them. So right here, Grandma's 62, over 59 or $15, so she would be $15. Allie is 2, children 3 and under are free, so Allie would be free, and Amy would be free. Okay, so just write in all of your prices, and then add them up, and you'll have your total cost. And then down here, we have to decide who can ride which one. Who can ride which one. And we can do one of two things. You can do what I did and change all of these to inches. Now, so to change these to inches, you've got to take this first number right here, multiply it by 12. 6 times 12 is 72. This number, 5 times 12 is 60, and then I have to add this one back. This is inches already, so that's 64. So what you're going to do, these are written as, this is feet, inches. So you're going to multiply this by 12, and then take this number and add it to this number to get your total inches, if you do it my way. Now, Friday, Sam, in 6th period, said, Ms. Bosworth, I just took all these and changed them to feet. So, that's a lot less work. Work smarter and not harder. Not once did it ever occur to me to do that, but it is 100% right. So, I'm going to show you what to do there. Take this 36 inches, divide it by 12. So, that's 3 feet. 30 inches divided by 12 would be 2.5 feet. 2.5 feet. But you're going to need to write that in inches and feet. So 2.5 feet, there's 12 inches in a foot, so that's going to be 2 feet, 2 feet, 6 inches. It's going to be 2 feet, 6 inches. So it's going to be a little bit different. Because 24 plus 6 is 30. Yep. 48 inches is 4 feet. And 48 inches right here is 4 feet. So you can do that, or you can go through and change all these. But once you do that, you're going to shade who can ride which ride down here. And then this paper is done. This paper is done. Turn it in. You're finished with that. Then you're going to get this. And the first thing you've got to do is plot your rides on here. This is going to be the map for your amusement park. So you got to put your rides on here. The coordinates for your rides are right here. It's the first bullet point up under each one of the rides. So coordinate, let's talk about doing an ordered pair real quick. This is your X coordinate, X, and this is your Y. An ordered pair is always written X, Y, okay? X will always be plotted first, and it's going to go this way. Y will be plotted second, and it's always going to be done this way. So when you look at this 8, so it might help you to come through here and do X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. So you're always going to do your X first. 8, so I'm going to start at 0 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5. And I'm going to put a point right there, and I'm just going to put an A. This is positive. This is negative. Think of this as 2 number lines. This is a number line, positive, negative. This is a number line, positive, negative. You always move right to left, and then you'll go up or down. So to go to 0, 7, you'll go 0, 7. Okay? -3, -6. I'm not going to put those on there for you, but you're going to put these on there. Then you're going to take it, and you're going to just kind of fold it into thirds. I would fold it over, if you start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fold it over to about the 6th line going that way. And come back this way. And that'd be about right. Okay? This is the front. This is the back. And if you come over back to the front page, you have all of your directions for what it needs to have on it. Each ride should have a coordinate. Key should be included. Coordinates should be given. So you've got to put a key on here. Put a key and list your rides and your coordinates from the orange paper onto here. Okay? You don't even have to put an A right there, but you can. It doesn't matter. But you're just going to put the points on here. You can make sure all of this is done, and then glam it up. Glam it up. So also there's criteria right here. You've got to name your park. Hours of operation that are up to you, but everything has to, and then you're going to make your brochure, and you're going to turn that in. So you should be able to finish this in class today. I'm expecting, I'm going to have Miss Hill take these up at the end of class today. So You should have time to finish these completely. All right, see you tomorrow.